Now, Joe, lie down on the bed. No, Joe, turn around.
Oh.
No. All right, Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, I'm Ray. I'm the radiologist.
I've hurt my big toe.
We're gonna have to take an X-ray of that.
What's an X-ray?
We'll take a picture of your big toe. Now lie down on the bed.
Let's love sign. Lie down. Lie down. You sign. Lie down. Good. Lie down.
Okay, Joe, let's take a look at this toe.
What happened to your head? Ew.
That's a serious toe situation. He's gonna need medicine. But we don't have any. We're waiting on a delivery.
Medicine? My first delivery! Wait here!
Shoe here. Don't forget your shoe.
Medicine.
That's not medicine.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes!
Not!
Yes!
That's lemonade. Now, does your toe feel better?
No.
See? It's not medicine.
Don't worry. I know just what to do.
What?
Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy,
Daddy. Rag.
Hopefully this medicine will help my foot.
It's time for your X-ray.
Will it hurt?
No, Joe.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Okay.
Now, Joe, put your foot there. Not that foot.
See you.
That's better. Try and get it. That's perfect.
It's so tumble.
Don't move. Here we go.
No, Joe.
Okay. Come on, Archie.
See.
We'll go and we'll come back.
Joe.
Stay there.